Hey everyone! Welcome to another exciting culinary adventure. Have you ever tried a dish so simple yet so awesome that you just can't get enough? A dish that with every bite takes you on a journey of flavors and memories? A dish that's more than just food but a real piece of culture? Something that tells a story with every mouthful? In South India, among all the amazing spices and flavors, there's PUTHETTU. This humble yet extraordinary dish has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. It's a real culinary mystery that people have loved for ages. But what makes PUTHETTU so special? Is it the unique blend of ingredients, the traditional cooking methods, or the rich history behind it? Come with us as we explore the secrets of PUTHETTU, its history, what makes it special, and why it's so important to South Indian culture. We'll delve into the origins of this dish, tracing back to ancient times when it was first created. Get ready to be amazed by the story of PUTHETTU, a dish that's a party for your taste buds and a tribute to the clever cooks of South India. We'll meet some of the local chefs who have mastered the art of making PUTHETTU, and they'll share their secrets with us. We'll travel back in time, uncovering the beginnings, traditions, and modern versions of this beloved food treasure. From its humble beginnings to its place in contemporary cuisine, PUTHETTU has a fascinating story to tell. So join us on this delicious journey and discover why PUTHETTU is more than just a dish. It's a cultural icon. PUTHETTU, pronounced PUTHETTU, is a steamed rice cake that's super popular in South India. It's made from a simple mix of rice flour, coconut, and water, and it usually looks like a long, white tube. It has a mild but unique flavor, and it's soft and fluffy. People love it for breakfast, snacks, or even dinner. PUTHETTU is important to South Indian traditions. You'll see it at religious events, festivals, and family get-togethers. Making PUTHETTU is often a family activity, with everyone helping to grind the rice, mix the batter, and steam the cakes until they're perfect. PUTHETTU might look simple at first, like just a steamed rice cake, but that's not the whole story. Making PUTHETTU takes real skill. South Indian cooks have perfected the art of turning simple ingredients into something amazing. Every step matters, from picking the right kind of rice to steaming it just right. And PUTHETTU is also super versatile. While the original recipe is a classic, there are tons of variations, each with its own special twist. PUTHETTU's story goes back hundreds of years. This humble yet beloved dish has its roots deeply embedded in the rich cultural and culinary history of South India. The journey of PUTHETTU is not just about food, it's a tale of tradition, community, and the evolution of taste over centuries. Some food experts think it started in Kerala, a state in southern India. Kerala, known for its lush landscapes and vibrant culture, has always been a melting pot of various culinary influences. The state's unique geography, with its backwaters and fertile land, has provided the perfect environment for the cultivation of rice, the main ingredient in PUTHETTU. Old writings talk about a dish called puttu, which means PUTHETTU has been around for over 1,000 years. These ancient manuscripts and historical documents provide a fascinating glimpse into the past, showing how PUTHETTU was not just a meal, but a significant part of the daily life and rituals of the people. Over time, PUTHETTU has changed a bit, adapting to different tastes and traditions. The traditional South Indian kitchen has seen many transformations, yet the essence of PUTHETTU remains unchanged. From the rural homes where it was first made to the modern kitchens of today, PUTHETTU has evolved, incorporating new ingredients and techniques while staying true to its roots. But even today, it's still a favorite in South India. Families gather around the table to enjoy this dish, whether at home or in popular restaurants. The communal aspect of eating PUTHETTU brings people together, creating bonds and memories that last a lifetime. It's a dish that everyone loves, young and old. From children eagerly waiting for their share to the elderly reminiscing about the good old days, PUTHETTU transcends generations. It's a symbol of continuity, a link between the past and the present. Whether it's a simple breakfast with kadala curry or part of a fancy meal, PUTHETTU has a special place in the hearts and stomachs of South Indians. Its versatility makes it suitable for any occasion, from everyday meals to festive celebrations. The love for PUTHETTU is a testament to its enduring appeal and the rich culinary heritage of South India. The secret to a great PUTHETTU is good rice flour. This flour is the foundation of the dish, and its quality can make or break the final product. The rice used for the flour is often carefully selected, ensuring it is of the highest quality. The journey of PUTHETTU begins in the lush green rice fields where farmers cultivate the grains with care and dedication. Traditionally, raw rice is soaked, ground into a powder, and then mixed with water and coconut to make the batter. This process is a labor of love often passed down through generations. The soaking of the rice softens it, making it easier to grind into a fine powder. This powder is then mixed with water to form a smooth batter. The addition of freshly grated coconut not only enhances the flavor, but also adds a unique texture to the batter. The coconut makes it a little sweet and nutty, and steaming makes it light and fluffy. Steaming is a crucial step in the preparation of PUTHETTU. It ensures that the dish is cooked evenly and retains its moisture. The steam cooker, often a traditional outdoor setup, adds an authentic touch to the process. The result is a light, fluffy, and slightly sweet dish that is a delight to the senses. The PUTHETTU gets its tube shape from being steamed in a special cylindrical mold called a putukuti. This mold is an essential tool in the making of PUTHETTU. It gives the dish its distinctive shape and ensures that it is cooked to perfection. The putukuti is often made of metal and is designed to allow steam to circulate through the batter, cooking it evenly from all sides. While rice is the main ingredient, there are lots of different kinds of PUTHETTU. Each variety has its own unique flavor and texture, depending on the type of rice used and the additional ingredients. From white rice to red rice and even black rice, the possibilities are endless. Each type of rice brings its own distinct characteristics to the dish, making every bite a new experience. Some are sweet, made with jaggery and cardamom. These sweet versions are often enjoyed as a dessert or a special treat. The jaggery adds a rich, caramel-like sweetness, while the cardamom provides a fragrant, spicy note. Together, they create a harmonious blend of flavors that is both comforting and indulgent. Others are savory, with lentils, veggies, or even meat. These savory versions are perfect for a hearty breakfast or a satisfying meal. Lentils add a protein boost, while vegetables bring in a variety of textures and flavors. For those who enjoy meat, adding pieces of chicken, beef, or even seafood can transform PUTHETTU into a rich and filling dish. There are so many possibilities. Whether you prefer sweet or savory, simple or elaborate, PUTHETTU offers something for everyone. It is a versatile dish that can be adapted to suit any taste or occasion. Families often gather to enjoy PUTHETTU together, making it a dish that not only satisfies the palate, but also brings people closer. The art of crafting PUTHETTU is a beautiful blend of tradition, creativity, and love. PUTHETTU is more than just tasty, it's part of South Indian culture. In many homes, the smell of steaming PUTHETTU means it's breakfast time, bringing back memories of family. It's also part of religious ceremonies and festivals where it symbolizes good luck and prosperity. PUTHETTU is connected to the land and its people. The local ingredients, the traditional way it's made, and how everyone shares it, these all show how deeply PUTHETTU is tied to South Indian identity. PUTHETTU isn't just delicious. It reminds people of home, traditions, and family. It's a dish that's been passed down for generations, changing with the times but always staying true to its origins. In a world of fast food, PUTHETTU reminds us of the power of simple, healthy food that's good for us inside and out. So next time you see PUTHETTU, remember it's more than just a steamed rice cake. It's a story of tradition, creativity, and the amazing spirit of South Indian cooking. Have you ever tried PUTHETTU? What do you think of this special South Indian treat? Share your stories, memories, and recipes in the comments below. Let's celebrate how awesome and diverse PUTHETTU is. Want to know more about PUTHETTU? Check out these links for recipes, cultural info, and more. Link to a reputable South Indian recipe website featuring PUTHETTU recipes. Link to an article or blog post discussing the cultural significance of PUTHETTU. Link to a video showcasing the traditional method of making PUTHETTU. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.